my channel. I'm so excited to be here, you guys. It's been almost a month where I post weekly and I'm so freaking excited. You guys have been so loving, so sweet on all of these videos. It feels so good to be back and to know that all of the people that follow me and love me are here supporting me. It means so much to me. And also, I just want to reach out to all of those people out there that have anxiety like I did. I've been working through it and I've been so much better. Just know that you're not alone. I know sometimes depression, anxiety get the best of us. We're all so amazing. So it makes me really sad to think that anybody was feeling the way that I was. And you know, that stops us from being the best version of ourselves, to make an impact on other people's lives and to make our lives better. So with that being said, it is a difficult subject for me to talk about, but I just want you guys to know that you have somebody that can relate to you, that you're not alone, that we can support each other. Leave your comments down below. Feel free to encourage each other down there. I want this channel to be a positive one, a loving one, and I want to be able to give you guys as much good of me as I can to make your lives better and to put a smile on your face. So I don't want to get emotional because that is a really touchy subject, because I know that a lot of us are going through it. We just don't talk about it. So just know that you have a support system here and feel free to be open. I love you so much. So now on to the tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do these Gelix nails at home. They are in a professional way because I am a professional. I did go to school for it and I got a license because I wanted to know all about nail application, anatomy, and all those good things, as far as also how to be sanitary with your products. I think that's the biggest thing that a lot of people miss. So I'm excited to show you guys how to get these press-on nails like a pro at home. And I will be using one of my close friends to help me demo this. Her name is Yessie Waters. If you guys haven't checked her out, please do so. She has her own YouTube channel. I'll link it down below. She's amazing inside and out. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please click like. That helps me out so much. Subscribe, share it with your friends. That means so much to me. And hit that notification bell so that you know when I'm posting. I will be posting once a week. So please subscribe and let's get this video started.
Prior to filming, I prepped the nails by pushing back the cuticles and removing any surface shine. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Gelix nail system, and I'll be providing all of the details down below in the description box. I love this stuff. Let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm going to begin by measuring my nails onto the natural nail plate. You want to make sure that the nail tip fits from sidewall to sidewall and that it's not shortened. It's better for it to fit a little bigger than for it to fit smaller, because then it'll look weird once it gets cured. The next step is to lightly buff out the edges of the inside part of the nail tip. This will also help with adhesion, and it will also make the nails look more flush against the nail plate. Now I'm going to be taking my dehydrator from the kit, and I'm going to start dehydrating all of the nails and applying a generous amount to balance the pH. The next step is to apply primer. I do apply a generous amount. Now, using the Extend gel that comes with the kit, I'm going to be applying a very thin layer to all of the nails with using a very small brush. You can usually find some at a very reasonable price at Michael's. Cure for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to be taking my brush and Extend gel again and applying a very thin amount to the nail tip. Now when I say a very small amount, I mean a very small amount. Otherwise it's going to spread onto the cuticle, and once that cures, it's very difficult to remove that. Now I'm going to take my tip and gently place it on the nail plate, making sure that the gel does not spread to the sides, and using my portable UV lamp to quickly cure it. Now I like to use this to kind of flash cure it so it stays in place, and then I cure all of the nails in the lamp for an additional 60 seconds just to make sure. And as you can see, the application is flawless. It does take practice, so be patient. Once all of that is done, I'm going to file and lightly buff the surface of the nail. The manufacturer states that all you have to do is wipe them down with acetone and then polish, but I seem to like this method better because the polish applies more seamlessly. Now I'm going to be applying 2 coats of a nude gel polish color, and I will list all of the details down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. The final step is to apply a no wipe top coat, which I will be applying to all of the nails. Finally, my favorite part, I will be applying some Swarovski crystals to the nail using some nail resin. You can get very creative with this. I'm combining Crystal AB with rose gold. Lastly, I'm applying some rose oil around the cuticles. This completes the look, my loves. I really hope that you all found this helpful. I know that if you guys give this a try, you'll save so much money. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs it up for me. Click the notification bell and subscribe. It really helps me out. And I will see you guys really soon with more tutorials. Love you guys.